Welcome back to Adi Quanta. It's time to test your knowledge. 20 general knowledge quizzes. Are you ready? Let's start. What city can you see the Eiffel Tower in? A. Paris. B. Rome. C. Berlin. Your correct answer is A. Paris. Which country consumes the most cheese? A. US. A. B. Germany. C. France. Your correct answer is C. France. What is the official language of Iran? A. Arabic. B. Persian. C. Turkish. Your correct answer is B. Persian. Which country is the richest in the world? A. US. A. B. Luxembourg. C. China. Your correct answer is B. Luxembourg. Which country is famous for sushi? A. Korea. B. China. C. Japan. Your correct answer is C. Japan. What is the largest warm water lake on earth? A. Superior. B. Victoria. C. Baikal. Your correct answer is B. Victoria. Where is the Leaning Tower of Pisa located? A. Italy. B. Spain. C. France. Your correct answer is A. Italy. On which continent is Egypt located? A. Asia. B. Europe. C. Africa. Your correct answer is C. Africa. Which country has the tallest building in the world? A. US. A. B. U. A. E. C. China. Your correct answer is B. UAE. What is the currency of India? A. Rupee. B. Dollar. C. Yen. Your correct answer is A. Rupee. Which country does not have a military? A. Iceland. B. Costa Rica. C. Nepal. Your correct answer is B. Costa Rica. What is the most widely used currency in the world? A. Euro. B. Dollar. C. Yen. Your correct answer is B. Dollar. Which country pays the highest job salaries? A. US. A. B. Germany. C. Switzerland. Your correct answer is C. Switzerland. What is the capital city of New Zealand? A. Auckland. B. Wellington. C. Sydney. Your correct answer is B. Wellington. Which country has the best healthcare system? A. Singapore. B. UK. C. India. Your correct answer is A. Singapore. Which country is north of Mexico? A. Brazil. B. Canada. C. US. A. Your correct answer is C. USA. Which country has the most lakes? A. Canada. B. Russia. C. USA. Your correct answer is A. Canada. What is the capital of Russia? A. Moscow. B. Kiev. C. Minsk. Your correct answer is A. Moscow. What language is officially spoken in Brazil? A. Spanish. B. Portuguese. C. English. Your correct answer is B. Portuguese. Which country is known as the land of the rising sun? A. China. B. Japan. C. Thailand. Your correct answer is B. Japan. Well done. How many did you get right? Share your score in the comments below. If you enjoyed the challenge, subscribe to Adi Quanta for more general knowledge quizzes. Keep learning, keep winning. See you in the next challenge.